so we have some stuck in our bed. You all hear and see that? And they want me to be a part of the process, but
I want to be a part of it because
I'm scared.
What
do y'all think it is?
I think it's a bird or a squirrel. Let's go up there. Okay.
It's tight. I got this thing. That's why the dryer been dry, because it's so tight. I gotta figure out what it is first.
Please don't fall on me.
Oh, damn.
It's not funny.
We need a screwdriver. Dang. I gotta get a screwdriver. I gotta take that one off.
Where your head, Tom?
I don't even hear it. So I can keep going in the dryer. Oh,
It's probably like.
At least behind the dryer looks pretty clean. Exception of the sock and the dryer sheet.
Please don't come out here because if it comes out here.
we gotta wait till it come back. I don't know if it's up there or down there. It's like it's just sitting.
Stuff before Daddy gets the screwdriver, and you know why? No, not. It's no baby because she's gonna like get scratched
Screwdriver on hand.
or something. So yeah. My dad's gonna fix the door and then I'm scared. Comment down below if it's a squirrel, and like and subscribe if it's a bird.
I think you should do it from the other way because I feel like it's down that way, Josh.
I just gotta take this off anyway.
It's still. Please don't go over here.
Where you at?
It's down there.
Down here?
It's not up there.
It went in the washer?
It probably just died, yeah. Oh my God. Oh, it's dying.
I'm gonna have to cover it. Where the towel go? I'm gonna have to cover it. I'm gonna have to, as soon as I get the hole, I'm gonna have to, when I take it off, I'm gonna have to put this over the hole.
It's dying.
Quiet. I ain't not die.
Hopefully it ain't a bag.
I know, right? Either way, we about to figure it out. Bird.
The birdie is finally free. Fly, birdie, fly. Thanks for watching for this day.